Hi everyone, it's Arthur from Zebra Home Cinema. I wanted to share one of the projects that we did earlier last year, basement home cinema refit, so follow me through. And here we are. So a few things to point out. We have these padded panels with the copper strips in between. Control 4 panel that controls obviously all the lighting, air conditioning unit, projector, all the audio visual equipment, and we have the Control 4 Neo remote for exactly the same purpose. So in here we have the JVC N5 projector, and that's hooked up to a Lumagen video scaler for video processing. The audio system is a Miller & Kreisel speaker system. So here we have 3 speakers behind the screen, which is behind a motorized curtain, and a pair of X10 dual 10-inch subwoofers. I've exposed one of them here. So we have one 10-inch driver firing towards us and one directly below that's pulled as the other one pushes out. And we have 2 pairs of surround speakers. So we have a pair of surround speakers either side of the main listening position, and they come with magnetic paintable grills. So this is painted and sprayed in the dark blue to match the internal decor, and that's the IW Inwall 85 loudspeaker. And we have a pair as rear centers, as you can see here and here again, and we have 2 pairs in the ceiling for Atmos, so a pair of rear in ceiling speakers and a pair of front in ceiling speakers for Atmos purposes. As mentioned before, we've got air conditioning unit at the back, so 2-tiered seating, and we have LED lighting just to illuminate the second platform. The interior design was bespoke by X Interiors, and they sourced these fabulous custom seating in a beautiful navy fabric. So if you go to the touch panel here, you can play around with the lighting. So cinema mood just dims everything down, ready for movies, and now we're completely in the pitch black. Lights on will obviously turn everything on. Great for cleaning, and there you see the illuminated LED for the platform. And then when we want to watch something, obviously you can do this with the Neo remote, but for the purposes of the demonstration, we'll just do it from here. So if you want to watch Sky Q, you can hear the little click and the whir of the projector firing up. And then motorized screen opens.
Festive makeup secrets right after your local weather forecast. Give me that.
Audio kicks in. And within a few seconds, we should get the picture coming up.
Arnold Clark, new and used cars, proud sponsors of This Morning.
Alison's going gaga for a movie star music icon.
You can put the volume down.
With the release of her latest.
There we have the picture. Obviously, once you're sat in the seat, then you just choose your lighting mood. So if you're going to watch a film, just simply, you'll be selecting cinema mode. And this is for sort of casual TV watching. And this is for cinema. And as you can see, with good light control, you get a very vibrant image, excellent framing of the picture, and this really works well for 235 content as well, 235:1 content, where in a room where the light isn't well controlled, you can see the black bars at the top and bottom, but in a very well controlled room, you can pretty much eliminate those and you get a fantastic picture. And we can just turn everything off. Lights come back on. Magic. Let's go through the audiovisual rack. That's the Lumagen video processor. We've got the Control 4 unit, Anthem processor, PS5 and Yamaha power amplifier.
You are a product of all who came before you. The legacy of your family. You are your mother. And whether you like it or not, you are also your father.
Is this what you wanted?
I just wanted to explain in a little bit more detail about the electronics. The Anthem processor is very, very sophisticated in terms of its room correction technologies, ARC. It's very well known, and it's probably one of the best room correction systems out there at that price point. Highly recommended if you can stretch to that. And we've separated the processor and the power amplification just for overall better performance. In terms of the video processing, the JVC projectors are very well known for their superb black levels and contrast, very, very filmic cinematic projectors. However, using a Lumagen processor, and it doesn't really matter which projector you're using, if all the processing is done by the Lumagen, it's a very, very sophisticated piece of kit in terms of how it processes the individual pixels and even corrects the frame rates depending on the source, whether you're using Sky or Apple or any of these video sources. The Lumagen really is very advanced, years ahead of any other video processing technology. So in combination with a good quality projector, you can achieve outstanding images. Another thing to point out is that none of the fabric panels here that you've seen have any particularly acoustic quality whatsoever. They're not being used to treat the room as such. What is important in a room like this is the overall construction. So anything that rattles will rattle, particularly when the subwoofers kick in. So the low bass frequencies really make everything rumble. So really the only thing that needs to rumble is you internally when you're enjoying the movie. So what we're really advocating and emphasizing here is solid construction, whether it's the screen wall or any side paneling, the coffer, anything at all. Everything needs to be screwed and nailed down very, very well and fixed properly to eliminate all the rattles. So if you're looking for a basement home cinema project conversion, do get in touch. All the details of this particular project are on the website, zebrahomecinema.com. So get in touch and we can discuss your requirements further.